Hey there, nature enthusiasts! Today, I'm taking you on an incredible journey to the arid regions of Togo. These areas might seem barren and lifeless at first glance, but they're actually teeming with some of the most resilient creatures on Earth. We're going to explore how animals like the African tortoise and various desert-adapted reptiles manage to not just survive but thrive in these harsh conditions. First up, let's talk about the African spurred tortoise, also known as the sulcata tortoise. These guys are the third largest tortoise species in the world, and guess what? They can weigh up to 100 pounds. But what's truly fascinating is how they've adapted to Togo's dry, scorching environment. African spurred tortoises have these incredible burrowing skills. They dig deep into the ground to escape the extreme heat and to find moisture. Their burrows can be over 10 feet long. By creating these underground shelters, they can regulate their body temperature and avoid dehydration. Now, let's shift our focus to some of the desert-adapted reptiles. One of the most interesting is the desert monitor lizard. These stealthy hunters have a unique way of conserving water. They are primarily active during the cooler parts of the day, like early morning and late afternoon. This helps them avoid the intense midday heat, but that's not all. Desert monitor lizards have specialized kidneys that allow them to retain water more efficiently. They can go for long periods without drinking, relying on the moisture from their prey to stay hydrated. Another fascinating reptile is the horned viper. This snake is a master of camouflage. Its sandy coloration allows it to blend seamlessly into its environment, making it nearly invisible to both predators and prey. It also has a unique way of moving across the hot desert sand called sidewinding. This technique minimizes the amount of body contact with the ground, reducing heat absorption. But survival in these arid regions isn't just about avoiding heat and finding water. It's also about finding food. Many of Togo's desert animals are opportunistic feeders. This means they'll eat whatever they can find whenever they can find it. This flexibility is key to their survival. Take the fennec fox, for example. These small nocturnal mammals have huge ears that help them hear prey moving underground. They have a varied diet that includes insects, small mammals, and even plants. Their kidneys are also highly efficient, allowing them to survive on very little water. So, next time you think of deserts as lifeless wastelands, remember the incredible adaptations of Togo's wildlife. These animals have evolved over time to not just cope with, but master their environment. It's a powerful reminder of the resilience of nature. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed learning about Togo's desert wildlife, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating nature stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.